And now a word from our sponsors.
Hey, yo, what's up? It's Brandon and holy shit, I lost an arm. How did that happen? Oh, lost an arm. How the hell did that happen? God damn it! Oh well, just click the goddamn yellow button, okay? And go shoot some hoops.
Click the yellow button. You end up like me. All yellow with lots of design. Yeah.
Yo, man, what's up? Click the yellow button, and you're gonna be like hippie like me. 'Cause I get high every Saturday.
Don't click the yellow button, please.
Click the yellow button, and you'll end up like me. Awesome. I can play music, see? Yeah, cool. Don't click the yellow button, you'll end up like me. Glide dental floss. Wow, I'm a loser. Click the goddamn yellow button! We're going into a class 5 rapid here!
Click the yellow button. You end up like me. Rich, famous, with a lady. Hee ho ho! I had a sex change. Hee.
Oh yeah, baby, come here. Give it to me.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
Good. Oh yeah.
Oh baby. Oh 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 oh. Yeah. Oh.
Click the yellow button and you'll end up like us. Paul, George, John, and Ringo. Oh hey, I was just reading.
And then she said to Edward, "Come on, give it to me, baby." And Edward replied, "No, I can't. I might kill you." And she's like, "Okay, whatever." And then Edward bit her. The end.
But yeah, so click that yellow button up. Where is it? God damn it, where's that freaking yellow button? Mom! But yeah, I think it's over there. I'm not sure. But, yeah, click it. Because it means you subscribe. So, subscribe. Bye!
Click the yellow button. Click it. Click the yellow button. Click it. Right up. Click it. Right. Over there. Right up. Click it. Click it. Click it. I'm watching you.